Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a super delicious, creamy, and family favorite recipe that both kids and adults absolutely love: vegetable pasta with white sauce spaghetti white heart. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss any tasty recipes from me. Alright, let's get cooking. Step 1. Sauté the garlic. First, take a pan and add a little oil or butter. Now add finely chopped garlic and sauté it on low to medium heat until it becomes fragrant. Make sure not to burn it, we just want that beautiful garlic aroma. Step 2. Add the vegetables. Next, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil if needed. Now it's time for our colorful veggies rainbow. Add mushrooms, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. Sauté everything for a couple of minutes so the vegetables stay slightly crunchy. Now add your spices. Salt to taste. Red chili powder or chili flakes. A little black pepper. Mix well and cook for another minute. Once done, turn off the heat and keep the vegetables aside. Step 3. Boil the pasta. Meanwhile, boil pasta in salted water according to the package instructions. You can use any pasta shape you like: penne, fusilli, or macaroni. Once cooked, drain and keep it aside. Step 4. Prepare the white sauce. Now for the star of the dish, the white sauce white heart. In another pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter and let it melt. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and cook it on low heat until the raw smell disappears. Slowly add milk and double cream, whisking continuously to avoid lumps. Cook until the sauce becomes smooth, creamy, and thick. Now season the sauce with salt, black pepper, chili flakes, adjust to your taste. Step 5. Combine everything. Now add the sautéed vegetables into the white sauce. Mix well, then add the boiled pasta. Gently toss everything together until the pasta is fully coated in that rich, creamy sauce. Cook for 1 more minute, and that's